Hey everyone, Lauren Jones here, your estate planning and business law attorney coming to you from California. I am here to talk to you about holographic wills. What are they? How do they work in the state of California at least? So a holographic will is a will that is, well, it is an effective will, okay? The reason we call it holographic because it has to be handwritten, all right? It has to be signed, dated. It cannot be typed and then signed. It does not have to be witnessed. It is you simply writing down your wishes, dating and signing it. And that can be a will. It's a very specific type of will. It's called a holographic will. So is it the most efficient way to do things? No. I mean, in general, wills aren't the most efficient way to work. But if you were on your deathbed and you had no choice, write yourself a holographic will. But the things you want to keep in mind: do not type it and then sign it. It won't be a holographic will. It's not the same effectiveness. If you want to type it, get it witnessed by two independent witnesses that are not beneficiaries. That's a different type of will. It's still, all of them potentially can be contestable. Clearly, a holographic will is the super baseline of any estate planning. You still have to go through probate. You don't get to avoid that unless you have a trust. So it's not going to save you there, but it will say who you want your stuff to go to. If we have no other things to look at, that will be there. And especially if you're not giving it to the people who would receive assets if you died intestate, then there is something. It is a thing that exists. I cannot guarantee it exists in every other state, but in the state of California, it does exist. So keep that in mind. If that's all you've got, that's all you've got. But in all honesty, come talk to me or some other estate planning attorney and get something better than that. Like, it is not what I want you to rely on. I have told clients, while we were in the middle of estate planning and they were afraid that something might happen, I said, write yourself a holographic will. It's what we'll use just in case. But in reality, we want to do the right thing. Let's get a trust. And then that's likely what we're looking at. But if not, let's get a real will. Let's get everything kind of buttoned up in the best way possible. So if you have questions about wills, trusts, holographic wills, feel free to give me a call and we'll be happy to chat with you. Thanks so much.